How do we stop them from doing that?
For that, ma'am, you need a laptop, desktop, or computer. Do you have any?
Yeah, I have a laptop.
So, ma'am, I'm just keeping you safe and secure network with Amazon. Okay.
Okay.
For that, ma'am, just open your laptop and let me know which browser that you are using.
Okay, I'm using Google Chrome.
Okay, ma'am. So just open your Google Chrome,
Yeah.
go to the URL part, and go to the URL part.
The what part?
You have to just click on URL. Okay.
Click on URL.
Oh yeah,
I don't see that anywhere on the page.
ma'am. You are on Google homepage.
Yeah.
Just see top of the screen. There will be a URL. Top of the screen there will be a URL search bar.
Okay, I see the search bar.
Yeah, just type there ANY
ANY
TESK.
TESK.
D for dog, E for elephant, S for fan, K for kingdom. D for dog.
Oh, any desk. Okay.
Yeah, anydesk.com.
Yeah, I found that.
Okay, now search it on your Google Chrome and let me know what do you see on your screen.
It comes up and says a fast remote desktop application, and then it gives me some options for downloading, but I'm not supposed to download anything onto my computer. I've gotten in trouble for doing that before.
No, ma'am. You have to. I'm just keeping you safe and secure network. I'm not saying to have download. You just if you download this app, you will be keep on safe and secure network. Then I will be help you and remove the hackers from your account.
Oh no, I would need to talk to my son about this. He tells me that I should never. He was very strict the last time I got a virus that I was not to download anything on my computer because I've gotten viruses before.
Oh, but then in this time you can download any task and it will be help you to remove the hackers from your Amazon account and from your network as well. Okay.
I'm gonna have to talk to him. He won't be home until later today. Can you call me back?
Ma'am, this is the last call. After that, you will not get any call. That's why I'm saying to you, if you have a time, so you can do right now. Okay? If you want to transfer, if you want to delay this call, you will be the responsible one for that. Okay? Amazon will not be responsible for that.
Can't we just go to my, can't I just go to my Amazon account?
No, 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 no. Do not go to your Amazon account. You just download any task.
No, I can't download that. Not my son said no. He said no, don't download anything ever. He said I have to wait for him and then he will download things for me because I don't know how to do it properly and I just get viruses.
Okay, ma'am. Then your call. I'm just disconnecting the call. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good time ahead.
Wait, you can't just disconnect my call.
Ma'am,
You have to fix this for me.
call is not waiting, ma'am. I'm just taking another call.
No, I need you to fix this for me. I need you to fix what's going on with Amazon for me. I didn't authorize a $600 charge to my account, and I won't accept that.
Listen to me, ma'am. You have to download the app. This is a not application. This is only the paper aspect, just like an Amazon. Amazon have a tie-up with the Adidas. That's why I'm saying to you, you have to download Adidas and take the access of your computer, and then you have to resolve this problem, whatever that you are facing right now. Okay? But saying to you, if you have Adidas, just download it. Okay, this is just like an Amazon cart, right? This is not a different thing.
I didn't have to download anything for Amazon. I just have to go to their website and shop. They didn't make me download anything. Why are they making me download something now?
I'm saying you, man. Okay, not an issue. I'm disconnecting this call. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.
Wait, wait. You have to help me. You called me and you have to help me now.
But I'm trying to help you, but you are not. I'm just trying to help you. But what are you doing? You are just ignoring my voice. What I'm saying to you, you just download any test on your computer or on your PC.
There has to be another way.
No, ma'am. There is another way. Is a team viewer.
Well, what does AnyDesk do? Can you tell me more about it?
Ma'am, team viewer is also like application.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. You were cutting out.
I'm just saying to you, ma'am, that team viewer. You have to download the team viewer.
Team Viewer? What's Team Viewer? I thought you said AnyDesk. Are they the same?
Ma'am, you know, and team viewer is a different application that will help you to keep you safe and secure network. Okay.
Okay, but
www.
yeah, www
Teamviewer.com.
dot ebeaver.com.
Teamviewer, ma'am. Teamviewer.
But I thought you said I had to download AnyDesk.
Ma'am, you have to if you do download any desk, that will very easy access. That is very easy process. And if you will download Teamviewer, that will take some time.
Oh, so one is faster than the other one.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
do
That
they do the same thing?
put any. Yeah, this is the same thing.
They do the same thing. What is it that they do?
Sorry.
What do they do? Like how will that help me? Can't you just contact Amazon and say I didn't authorize that charge?
Ma'am, you have to call me. I told you that. Now you just what you have to do that. You just open your AnyDesk and go to there and just download it. Okay.
No, I'm not comfortable to download anything. You need to help me a different way. Isn't there a different way you can help me without me having to put a virus on my computer? Hello?
Ma'am, you have to download the AnyDesk. Yeah, ma'am. I can.
I'm very upset now. Are you still there? You have to help me. Darn, he hung up.